I traveled to Hokkaido, Japan, in search of one thing. Japao. Said to be the lightest, fluffiest snow in the world. But to get here wasn't easy. My trip starts here. Osaka. With its chaotic yet laid-back atmosphere, it seemed like the perfect place to begin my quest. Onward to the small and vibrant city of Sapporo. Seeing snow on the ground had my mouth watering, that soon I'd be riding the deepest pow of my life. Better get some rest. Tomorrow is the day that I've been waiting for. Incredibly eager, I woke up early, drove an hour and a half through the mountains to make it to the first chair, here at Kirroro Resort. After a few laps in the resort, I decided I wanted more. And that's when I decided to do something stupid. You don't need to tell me that going into the backcountry by yourself is a bad idea. I was well aware of the risks, but this was something I needed to do for myself. I had worked so hard to get here and I was so ready for this. But it was so cold that all of my devices' batteries had ran flat. So let's try this again tomorrow at Rusutsu. P.S. This run was incredible.
So this is what all the roads in Hokkaido look like. I'm getting pretty used to driving on it, actually. Hot coffee.
Just arrived at Rusutsu, and I did not expect this. It's like Las Vegas with snow. This is a ski resort. Are you kidding me? I'm blown away. Look at this. A ski resort. It's like Disneyland. Okay, let's get back to the snow. Particularly how much they get here. It was almost a guarantee that every morning there'd be fresh snow to play with. Let's try that hike again. Finally, we got some sunlight. And it's snowing. Woo, yeah.
Feeling content, having achieved what I set out to do, I was ready to head home. Or so I thought.
Alright, so flight got cancelled because there's too much snow on the ground, so can only get out of here in 3 days. So what do you do when the airport's been shut down because of too much snow? Go shred some powder.
With even more snow forecast for that evening, I took the day off to rest. I was not going to waste this extra day of riding that had been given to me. I headed straight out the backcountry gate to this bizarre area. It had an abandoned cable car and more communication towers than what seemed necessary. The sun came out just in time for me to appreciate this beautiful view and gave me the opportunity to finally say goodbye.
Yes! Ah! Looking good. It's looking shit. Oh! Ah!